Hi everyone, this video is 1.3 order of operation, okay? And I put the page number there. I also put the central question there for you. But basically what order of operations is, it's a set of rules, okay? You have to follow a set of rules in order to know if you need to do addition first or subtraction first, multiplication, maybe parentheses. So you need to know what to do first, and then you need to, because if you don't follow the rules, you'll end up with a different number as someone else. Okay, so that's why we have a set of rules. So let's talk about the rules first. So order of operation, you may have heard this, PEMDAS, okay? And I always hear this when I was younger is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I actually do not like to write PEMDAS like this, and here's the reason why. I like to write PEMDAS straight down. So P, E for exponents, MD like this, and AS like this. And I'm going to talk a little bit about why I like preferring this over this, okay? Because there's a lot of misconception when you actually write it like this. But please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So first P is parentheses, okay? Parentheses. That's what those are, okay? Number two, exponents, and you learned that in 1.2. Those are your powers, okay? Number three, multiplication and division, okay, is the MD parts. And here's the reason why I like to write MD next to each other versus just like that, okay? Multiplication and division are the same level. Think of them as same levels. And it's whichever one comes first, left to right. So if you see division first as you're reading, then you actually do division first. You do not do multiplication first, okay? You have to look at which one comes first, multiplication or division, left to right, and that's the one you do first. Same thing with addition and subtraction, okay? It's not, oh, addition comes first, I have to do addition. You have to read left to right and see whichever one comes first. Left to right. Okay, so let's do a couple of examples, and I like what we call the funnel method, okay, because it gets big, the problem, and then gets smaller and smaller, and then our answer is at the bottom, okay, so the funnel method. So this example you may have seen before, but let's take a look at it again. It's going to be 7 plus 60 divided by parentheses 3 multiplied by 5, okay? If you do not follow order of operation, you could end up with a different answer. So for example, if you don't follow order of operation, you could potentially do 7 plus 60 first, and then 7 plus 60, then you have to divide by 3, so on and so forth, and that's going to give you a different answer, an incorrect answer, okay? So that's why PEMDAS comes in. So when you look at this, you need to follow parentheses. That's what you need to do first, parentheses first. So 7 plus 60, just bring it straight down because I'm not doing anything yet, divided by 3 multiplied by 5, that dot means multiply, is 15. Okay? I'm done with parentheses. I got rid of the parentheses. Now I'm going to see if there's exponents. There is no exponents. So now multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. Right here, there's only one division, so that's what I do first. Okay, so it's going to be 16 divided by 15. That is going to give us a 4. 7 plus 4. Now, what's 7 plus 4? The answer is 11. And that's my final answer. And as you can see, it looks like a funnel, okay, because the answer gets to the bottom, okay, funnel method. Let's do another one. Let's do number 2. 16 plus parentheses 5 squared plus 7 divided by 3. Instead of plus 7, actually, I made a mistake. Let's change that plus to a minus. Okay, change that plus to a minus. So it's going to be 5 squared minus 7. So according to this, I have to do parentheses first. But I'm looking at the parentheses. I see 5 squared minus 7. So now you have to answer, do with parentheses. You have to do order of operation in the parentheses. So do you do square? Do you do the power first? Or do you do the subtraction? And the answer is you do exponent, the power first. Okay, so it's going to be 16 plus parentheses 5 squared is 25 because 5 times 5 minus 7 divided by 3. Okay? Now you can finally do the parentheses. 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is 18. So 16 plus 18 divided by 3. Okay? And then, as you keep going down, exponents done, check. Now multiplication, division. Which one comes first? Division. Okay, so 18 divided by 3 is going to be 6. So 16 plus 6. And then when you do 16 plus 6, the answer is 22 because we moved along to addition and subtraction. So that's my final answer. Okay, there's so many examples that we can continue doing, but please come and see me if you have any questions about order of operation, and I'm more than happy to do these with you. Other than that, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.